All right, it's Al from Dino Flash Videos. I'm down here at Manhattan Motorcars, my favorite place, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy, man. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Well, not just because I'm surrounded by Porsche 918s, but I'm down here and I got my car looking beautiful, man. It's amazing. It's 2/3 of the car is covered with the expel paint protection film, and the job is beyond my wildest expectations. I'm so happy I had these guys do the job, and I have to thank Lewis. Lewis, you are a master.
Oh, come on. Thanks.
I know that listen. I know that I'm a difficult customer, right?
Yeah, you get there. No, I'm kidding.
High expectations.
Yeah, when you're driving a Porsche like this, you should.
No, it's not the car. It's just I'm a car guy. I love my cars. I'm passionate about them, so I worry about it. I think about it, you know, and you know, a customer who doesn't care about his car and just says, you know, do the job, and when it's ready, pick it up.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I've been down here like probably, you know, 12 times now, right, to look at my car, right?
Oh yeah.
But you have done, like, somebody commented on my Facebook page and said this is the most extensive paint protection film job they've ever seen, right? So, and I agree, it's most extensive. So would you mind just quickly from my YouTube channel and just walk us through, like, in a minute or two, and just explain, you know, like, why does this take so long, and what you've done here on this paint protection film job to make it so it's such an amazing job?
Well, we basically try to take out all the possible pieces we can in order to tuck the film in there. Like we had this window, we removed this window with the molding in order to get the film inside there. All this is out, we can tuck the film inside there. We took off this little vent here to tuck the film all the way inside. We just put the mirrors back on. The mirrors came off in order to have a seamless door done, or else you'll have a seam right behind the mirror when you do the door. Basically the front, take out the headlights, we take out the bumper, take out all the little pieces from in there, in order that way when we get the film inside there, we can bring the film all the way inside, and so there's no seams in the vehicle. We try to do everything we can as a one piece. Take the emblems off in order to put the film inside. Same thing in the back, we remove the bumper. That's the actual bumper, the rear bumper. As you see, it's been stripped down completely. All the film is actually on there already. Everything is tucked in, rolled in, you know.
I'll be honest with you, I can't even see a seam. I can't even see where the film starts in the...
Once this goes back, all this will be, the tail lights go here. We remove the that back diffuser in order to get all the film inside. So
basically, when you do the completed project, right, when everything goes in, you can't see where the film starts and where the film ends.
Correct.
That's it.
Yep.
It's just completely covered.
Yep. Everything is all tucked inside. Everything. So you don't see anything there. So you'll basically, in order to find the film, you'll probably have to, only place you'll probably have to check if you put your hand all the way deep inside here, you see what you'll feel where it's rolled in at. That's about it. Or you open up the hood where it rolls into, but you're not gonna, all this gets put back together and it's rolled in a half an inch inside.
This quarter panel right here looks like one giant piece of film, no?
Correct. The quarter panel runs all this all the way to the front of the A-pillar and that whole bottom side skirt. It's all one piece.
So in order to make that piece, right, all the area of the film that goes between here and here is garbage, you know? I mean,
yep. Because once you go ahead and you don't want to, once the film is exposed, you don't want to be playing with it.
It costs a lot of money to make that quarter panel, no?
Oh yeah, it's a pretty penny. It's a huge piece. It's about I think it's 125 we have to cut. It's 125 inches to get that piece. So you got one shot at it.
You got one piece that starts down here at the rocker panel, goes all the way back.
Comes into here.
To the end of the back of the car, then all the way back up to the top, all the way around here, covering the windshield A-pillar, and all the way down to the front. One piece of film. Amazing, huh?
Oh yeah.
By the way,
work.
Just as I was here, you know, pretty cool, you know, just a little trivia, you know, just interesting. This 918 over here in matte. You did that car, right? That's
Yeah,
pretty
it's
cool. I
about
didn't know
3
that.
years we did it, and we vinyl wrapped it in 3M matte black, actually matte deep black.
It's a nice looking car, sexy. It's like Darth Vader car.
Yep, it's all stuff looking down.
Beautiful, right?
Oh yeah.
I wonder if that helps him with the laser with the cops. You know, he has no license plate. You know, the matte finish. You know what? I wonder if one day the paint protection film companies will come out with some type of product that will repel like laser beams bouncing off of it. That'd be interesting to put on the front bumpers, no?
Well, I mean, that's why you got our master over there, Regis.
You guys
He's
installed
installing a
you
radar
installed
right
the
now.
Escort Masters, man. You have so many of them.
Oh yeah.
You got a lot
Number
of them.
one in the country here.
Number one Escort Max installer.
Yep.
So he's putting one in right now. So you don't have to worry about the laser. By the way, if you don't mind, just to explain to my viewers, my YouTube channel, like what's happening with this Rolls, man.
This is the new
Rolls-Royce,
SUV.
man. It's brand new, no?
Rolls-Royce SUV. This got film on it. It's getting film on it. This whole front fender's already done, and we actually did it in one piece. There's no seams in it or anything. So this is a hard job to do, being that it's a square piece here. To get the film to conform to this.
And again, you know, it's probably hard to pick up from the camera. You know, I'm basically covering this with my camera, but I'm looking at this. I cannot tell that this has paint protection film on it. I'm looking at it. I have a pretty good eye. There's no way I can tell. I mean, you
No
cannot tell.
seams, and it's all rolled in.
I mean,
all this.
I cannot tell really, you know, hardly tell the difference between this and the next panel. You know, the thing about the Rolls compared to a Porsche and other cars, like there's hardly any orange peel on a Rolls, right? It's flat paint, right?
Yeah.
So when you put the paint protection film on, it's like
It's
almost
just
the
all
same,
done
right?
here. Oh yeah,
It's like almost exactly the same, right? It's like almost virtually no difference, right?
correct.
And you're gonna put ceramic on the top of it, right?
Yep, the whole car is getting ceramic.
So once you put the ceramic on, it's probably almost gonna look exactly like the original paint, right?
Oh yeah, it's gonna give it more of a deeper shine.
So he's covering the whole front. So the guy's doing it right. He's leaving from here with a brand new car with the paint protection film on it, so he's never gonna get a stone chip.
Correct.
That's the way to do it. So you don't have to go through the nightmare I went through with all the stone chips.
Oh yeah.
But now I'm right. Now I'm good, bro. Look, my car is. I'm just gonna take a quick shot. Look at my car. Thanks to J&B Auto Body, my car is beautiful, man. There's no stone chips. You know what? I don't even want to drive it, even though I'm getting the paint protection film. I just want to put it like in a museum, you know. I'm supposed to go. Believe it or not, I'm supposed to go racing in Lime Rock racetrack in the second week of May. I don't even know if I want to go because I'm too afraid I'm going to get like a little chip or a scratch on the car. I just want to enjoy the car, you know. Thank you. I really appreciate it. God bless you.
Thanks. Not
Happy
a problem.
Easter to you and your family.
Same.